Butter chicken.
Butter chicken. So creamy. Grabe yung pagluto nito. Ilang oras? No, it's an hour lang or more than 2 hours?
Like 2 hours.
2 hours na? My
Something like
goodness.
2 hours.
Paggawa lang ng buttered chicken na favorite ko, 2 hours. Pag talagang gusto mo ng masarap na pagkain, talagang mag-take siya ng time para maluto. Thank you, my love.
Alright.
It's very creamy. Oh. It's nice with the butter naan or kahit bread. Masarap na siya.
It's nice with naan.
Naan.
Cheese
Naan.
naan.
Cheese naan is my favorite. Cheese naan with this buttered chicken.
But we don't have cheese naan.
But that's okay. We have the other naan. So let's try with the other naan. Alright. That's it. So creamy.